Well, the boys got here this morning, realised they'd left the jacket home for the car, and they've got a flat tyre. Just happens to be the left front, the one that's up in the air. Wait and see what happens. Oh, hello. So they've left the jacket home. How do we get the wheel off and change it? You're about to see. Come on guys, make some noise! Now, I think a Nissan Hub has 5 studs on it, so he's going to have to undo 5 nuts. He's looking highly stressed about it. Now, just a disclaimer, folks. Please do not try this at home. Pete's sitting down there going, why is this taking so much time? The Oliver boys reckon driving around like this, do you need a motorcycle? Do you just need a motorcycle licence? So what's he going to do when he gets all the wheel nuts off? That. Come on guys, make some noise! Do not drop your nuts. So we announced earlier on this morning that Midas are going to offer this as a service as part of their, go into Midas, you want your wheel changed, they'll do it for $1,800 a session. Carter's Tyres have just matched that, so they're going to offer that service to the public from next week as well. So the first time in New Zealand this weekend, only at CRC Speedway. Last year it was the Go Fast Rocket Man, which was just an assault to the senses. This is a little bit slower, but equally very, very cool. I actually saw this a couple of weeks ago on, it was actually at a quiz night, on a video from Dubai or something like that. I thought, oh, that's cool. Then the boys announced they were going to try it here. So that's the trick, you've got to put all the nuts back on to put the wheel back on, because they've got to get the thing back down on the ground to stop it. I'm just sitting there thinking, if it does go wrong, yeah, that wouldn't be a good look. Now the tricky part, getting back inside, and Pete, oh, he's taking his time. Oh, now we're just going to show off. There we go, we didn't have that this morning. God only knows what they're going to do tomorrow now to top that. We'll let them get buckled back in. You watch how hard this thing hits when it gets back on the deck. Because they're going to do it right down in front of you. And then we want you to make some noise for Peter Bell and the Drive Rush stunt team.